Hi, I'm Marianne with the Geronsins Real Estate Group, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, and welcome to 26980 Applecross Lane in Yorba. I am so excited to show you guys this beautiful house with the natural sunlight that comes in through the windows, a formal living room, dining room area, and how about this kitchen? Perfect for entertaining and feel the light evening breeze. Just off the kitchen is this lovely family room. And here we have the primary suite with your very own private balcony to absorb the gorgeous, stunning views, your own private fireplace to enjoy this wonderful retreat. Imagine yourself relaxing in your very own private spa, taking in these breathtaking views. It doesn't get any better than this. This backyard also has a large barbecue grill area, perfect for entertaining, a covered patio, and a large green belt. We're so excited to share this property with you and know you'll be excited once you see it.